Hello, this is Marcin from Escape from Supplier. I'm here to show you how the hands4lock prop is working and how you can connect it. I have here prepared the LED strip to show how the device will connect the voltage for the normally open connection, and the trigger. I am using the e-stop button, but you can, for example, just short circuit the wires, or use every common button that you can find. Okay, so here I have the package of what you will receive when you buy the hands4lock prop. Okay, so first thing is the device. The device show that you will connect the rest of the cables and the rest of the devices. Next thing is the power supply for 12 volts. Okay, then you have the two cables that you will connect to the sensors. You have the electromagnet that you can use for the opening some doors or drawer, anything you want, and you will get the two metal parts that will that can be used as the sensors. Okay. So first thing is to connect the wires to the sensors. You have here the screw. You have to unscrew it, then connect the first cable. Okay, and the cable is sensor 1. So I'm connecting it here to the device. Now the second cable. I have screw. Put the cable on it. Screw it. Okay, and connect to the sensor 2. Okay, then we have the LEDs. So we can connect the LEDs for the ground and normally connect input or output. Electromagnet that you can connect to the normally closed part. It has two connections, the normally closed that I'm putting to the normally closed gate, and ground to the ground. You can of course use the bigger wires. Okay, and I have the metal parts for the magnet. Okay, and the last thing is the trigger. Trigger will start the puzzle, the prop working when you need this. You can add here, if you want the players to first solve the puzzle before, you can give them, for example, this button that they have to push it, and then they can do these puzzles. Or you can, I don't know, connect anything you want if you want to make the serious algorithm of the puzzles. Okay, and the last thing is the power supply, and I'm connecting the power supply here on the side. Okay. Okay. So the magnet started to work. I cannot disconnect it right now. If I put the hands on the metal parts, nothing happens. Yeah. So only after I put push the button. Still, the prop is armed right now, and when I put the hands, it will open, and the magnet is open right now. Yeah. And if I want to arm the puzzle again, I have to disconnect, and the magnet started to work, and I cannot do anything. And after 10 seconds, the puzzle will be armed again. So let's wait 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see the red light blinking. Yeah, and then again, after I put my hands here, the prop will open. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and you will enjoy the hands4lock puzzle too. Okay, so the example of usage of this prop is when you can put these two plates so wide that one person cannot touch both ends. So the idea is that one player have to touch one plate, the second player has to touch the the second plate, and they have to touch each other hands, or yeah, just touch each other. Then the circuit will find out that it's closed and will open the magnet. Yeah, you can use only some other metal part that you can connect, and by this you will be able to use this prop. So for example, when if I will have here the second person, the one person will put the hand here, and the second person will put her hand some other, and when we touch each other we will open the prop. Thank you very much.